Hello there, my friend. And how are you today? I'm so happy you came to join us and play. It's Animal Trivia, so let's start playing the game. We'll get a clue and first letter to figure out the animal's name.
My pride follows me always, and my roar is stronger than any loud yell. As a male, I have an impressive mane around my neck, and I start with an L. L. Lion.
Good job! I learn something new every single day. See you real soon again, I hope, to read and play. And don't forget, let's say it together loud and clear.
It's always story time in here!
Bye-bye.